Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your phone has a registered fingerprint and WhatsApp is fully updated. Do that now. Once done, open WhatsApp and verify your backup. This preserves chats if you re-authenticate. You need to enable the app-level lock immediately. It ties WhatsApp access to your biometrics. Make sure your device lock screen PIN or pattern is current because WhatsApp uses that as a fallback. These steps prepare you to attach the fingerprint to the app correctly. Now you enable the biometric lock inside WhatsApp. Go to Settings, Account, Privacy, then the fingerprint or screen lock option and toggle it on. You'll be prompted to authenticate with the device fingerprint. Do that deliberately twice to register it for the app. Once enabled, set the auto lock delay to a short interval. This balances convenience and security. If you use multiple fingerprints, enroll only those you trust. This step binds WhatsApp access to your fingerprint sensor. To finish, maintain the link. Keep both OS and WhatsApp updated, and periodically re-enroll fingerprints after major updates or a factory reset. Once set, test by closing WhatsApp and unlocking it with your fingerprint. Make sure only intended fingerprints work. If the fingerprint lock stops working, first confirm the device sensor recognizes your finger in settings, then disable and re-enable WhatsApp's lock. One troubleshooting tip. If locks fail after restore backup first, then re-enable biometric lock to ensure keys reattach properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.